Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Basel World 2018, looking at the very exciting new Rolex GMT-Master II. This is the new reference 126710 BLRO. This is a return of the Pepsi Bezel on an all-steel GMT-Master II. It has a brand new movement known as the Rolex 3285. The movement is the sort of newest generation of high accuracy, high performance Rolex movements, power reserve of 70 hours, which is a big up, and overall accuracy and performance across the board. We'll talk more about the 3285 in the written review. What's interesting, of course, is the bracelet. This is a jubilee style bracelet, also in all steel. Previously, if you wanted to get the Pepsi Bezel, what you need to do is purchase the all white gold version of the GMT-Master II, which is quite expensive because it was white gold. Now in steel, they've offered not only the Pepsi Bezel, which is the blue and red ceramic bezel, but also an all steel construction. This watch only comes right now on the Jubilee bracelet. This is a similar Jubilee bracelet as we had in the new Datejust 41, but of course not two-tone, all steel. And finally, an Oyster Lock clasp bracelet that goes with it in all steel, which is nice. Again, it was done in two-tone, now it's done in all steel. So there you have it. That is the new for 2018 Rolex GMT-Master II with the Pepsi Bezel that everyone is excited about. All steel. Price is 8,800 Swiss francs. You can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.